What's up guys, this is part 2 of the front bumper build for the 3rd gen 4Runner.
So in part 1 of this front bumper build, I went over removing the front bumper and also the crash bar. Once everything was removed, I started making the template for the front bumper, and this is what I ended up with. Alright, so I've already went and cut out all the pieces that I need, so I'm going to start by putting the mounts together first. All right, so it looks like the mounts fit perfect. This top plate also gives me the gap that I was expecting. So since everything checks out, I'm gonna take the mounts off and weld them all together.
So I just got done cleaning up the rest of the parts for the top of the bumper.
Everything ended up fitting really well. Got everything tacked up. This spot right here and the other on this side is exactly what I was talking about when I was saying I was gonna need to add some material because we were gonna end up with a gap. Very minor gap. It's just from here to here, a little triangle that we're gonna have to fill in, and that'll go with this shape right here of the grill meeting the headlight. And then here's the other one. So since the bumper is all tacked up, I'm gonna go through the face of the bumper. I'm gonna halfway cut through these marks that I put on this piece of the bumper. That way I can fold it into shape and then get it tacked to the bumper. So the bumper is completely tacked up now. Had some help from my lovely assistant. So the mounts are completely welded to the bumper now. First, I'm gonna get all of the welds that go on the inside of the bumper done, and then I'll move to the outside. So at this point, all of the inside of the bumper is completely welded. I'm gonna go through and grind all of the outside of the bumper at an angle and then get it all welded up. Now that the bumper has been completely welded, we have just a few more things left and we'll be nearing completion. We're gonna add some tubing for the headlights and the grille, and then we're gonna clean it all up and get it ready for paint. That is the completed front bumper for the 3rd Gen 4Runner. And in the back, we've also got a rear bumper with a tire carrier. Also, I just recently put together a rear bumper for an FJ Cruiser. That's gonna be a highlight on the Instagram for Cheetah Death Fabrication. You can check out the entire build there. I didn't have enough time to make it a complete video because I had to meet a deadline. Also had to finish this one up. So if you wanna see the FJ rear bumper build, you can check it out on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and subscribing to the channel. We just hit 200 subscribers, which is fucking awesome. Thank you guys so much for everything, and I'll see you guys in the next video.